Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Wi-Fi Wednesday. My name is Kevin Z. I am founder and CEO of My Wi-Fi Networks, and we meet here on Facebook Live each and every week to talk about the latest and greatest in Wi-Fi marketing. And this week, I really want to just point one major thing out to you guys. So we have the Sales CRM preview is officially back. We've had it available in the campaign creator for quite some time, but we've just added it back so that you can use it in a few ways. So I'm going to share those 3 ways with you today. And I also am curious, please comment on this video below. If you are using the Sales CRM, please let me know, because I know it is the fastest and easiest way to generate interest, to help show your prospects and clients exactly how Wi-Fi marketing works and help them, hopefully understand what the guest experience will be like. And then your job from there is to explain the data that you're collecting, so the emails, the phone numbers, all the profile data that you're getting, and then the ability to reach out to those clients either via automated messaging or via real-time broadcast. So let me just pull up my dashboard over here and show you guys exactly where the Sales CRM tool is and how to use it. So you'll notice right inside your dashboards, it's on the left-hand side. Now give me a sec here as this loads. Cool, so it's right here on the left side. Click on Sales CRM. And apologies for the delay. Sometimes I've been slowing down lately when I'm streaming some video. Try to refresh my page here. Sorry, I see my computer chugging along in the background, so my apologies for this delay here. Probably a good idea to close one of my 400 tabs open in the background. So give it a sec here. And while that is loading and while my browser is figuring itself out, let me cover one of the coolest ways to use it. So you use your portaldomain.com. So whatever it is, it could be connect.yourdomain.com. It could be anything, but it's whatever your portal domain is, /p. The P is for preview. And then it's /whatever the domain is.com. So this is not to be confused with Facebook. Before we were supporting Facebook pages as the extension. So this does no longer support Facebook. Unfortunately, Facebook turned off their API. So they essentially disabled our ability to do that. So that sucks. But we actually have a better way. If you use the domain, we're getting a much better transparent logo. It's not necessarily a square logo made for Facebook. It is a corporate logo on their corporate website. So this is really awesome. Use your portal domain /p/domain.com. So for example, I can show you how that works over here. And let me just pull up the Sales CRM again here, if my browser is behaving now. So yeah, inside your Sales CRM, you can do a couple things. You can create a new preview to start. So here, this is, I showed you the first way already, using your portal /p/domain.com or .net, or whatever the domain name is. Second way to do that would be to make a trackable link. So the benefit of using a trackable link here is that you're able to see if anybody clicked it or not. So let's say I want to use Wendy's.com as my demo. I click on save, and you'll notice that here I have 0 views on this new preview that I created. I can copy this URL. I can open it up in a preview, and this is the trackable link that you send. You'll notice this is also branded to your domain, so it's a fully white labeled URL. You send this tracked URL to your clients, and this will automatically generate the entire login experience based on the domain name I have. So this will pull up the preview here, click on accept. Whatever your template is, I have my template with payment options, yours might not, so you can set your default template and branding to pull this up. Here I have all my login options. Again, you'll have whatever your template has listed, but if I click on connect with Facebook, the CRM tool also actually scraped the Facebook page of Wendy's, so it's going to automatically insert the like box here on, so all you need is domain.com, so hopefully you're targeting clients that have good metadata on their website, so we're able to get the right logo, and they also have a Facebook page. in their metadata, so we're able to do this as well. But it's a great experience because you are able to demo that all via link, and then it redirects to the original domain that you entered to start. And you'll notice here, because I use that tracked link, and I go here and I refresh, it'll show that I now have one view on this link. And then inside my lead list, I have the profile information of whoever clicked this. And this was my personal Facebook page, personal Facebook account. So this is what the data that I shared based on going through that preview. So this is also a great way for you to capture the name, email, phone number of your prospects, and also add some notes here. So you can use this like a little mini CRM in ways. And very shortly, we are adding a new button up here that is going to allow you to send all of this data in real time. So as somebody completes that preview link, goes through the flow, it'll get sent directly via webhook to any destination of your choice. So if you use HubSpot as your CRM, or if you use Salesforce or Entreport, whatever your sales CRM is, you can trigger this lead to go directly to you. Even if you just want to send it to yourself via email, you'll just get notified that somebody just completed your preview URL. This is their name, their email, their phone number. This is the time that they submitted it. This is the name of the preview and the actual link itself, all in this package payload that's sent to you. So it's a great way for you to keep up to date. Send yourself a text, an SMS message if somebody completes your preview link. So it's a great way to do that. And then the third option is the widget option. So this widget is also inside the sales CRM. It makes it so that you can embed this right onto your website. So if you click up here, you'll see a little code option. You click on that. You just copy and paste this embed code into WordPress or wherever your website is. Once you do that, what it will look like is like this. So you'll have an embeddable widget where you can actually customize anything here. I just want to mention you can go in here and you can edit this widget. So if you wanted to change what the title is, so you see my title is red and it has, hey, let's get started with your demo. You can go in here and edit this if you want, change anything you want, change my title here, whatever you like there. So you can really customize it to make it your own. And then as users go through this flow, so let's say I again type in wendys.com. So this is your client entering their domain. It'll pull up their address information, and you're able to then, they can go in and do some simplified changes, but at this point, ideally, your point is to, and it also pulls up what their thank you page would look like if they get redirected, so it's really, really nice. Obviously, it's limited, but what we really want to focus on here is getting a user to fill this out. So just, hey, yeah, I understand how it works. There's a login option. There's a thank you page. There's a redirect. Then I can enter my name, email, and phone number. And when I submit this information here, so let's say I do demo, bob@demo.com, and my phone number. Thanks for your interest. Get back to you shortly. This also gets sent directly to your lead list. And if not, we will get that fixed immediately. I know that we had a couple issues with the CRM. We fixed it the same day, and we will get that also fixed ASAP. But that is how the sales CRM works. And that, along with a lot of other training, we have some playbooks that a lot of users have been using. And if you're thinking about what is a playbook or how do you really maximize the value of this, it's number one, once you capture a lot of data, so once you install this device on location, you can upsell things like email, SMS messages, scheduled reports, and offer sub-user access so your clients can log in and make changes themselves. After that, you want to start upselling things like social media services, things like chatbots or loyalty programs. So this is, once you're getting some loyal clients, you're getting some leverage here, you're getting some engagement, you can then start offering things like, social media consulting or doing some posting to their Facebook page or redesigning their Facebook page, doing things like setting up chatbots on Facebook Messenger or on WhatsApp. So these are great opportunities to charge your clients a lot more money. And then after that, you build a lot of good rapport with the client. You can upsell them things like reputation management, review management, where you can charge a lot of money for. You can also sell them ad retargeting once you build a bigger audience, and then even sell them, the whale, like a big website or SEO package. And at the end of the day, if you combine all of these, you could have, again, depending on your client budget, anywhere between $1,000 to $5,000 per month. I've seen packages go for that include various services like this, and it all starts with Wi-Fi. So remember, when you're plugging in a device, you're offering, let's say, a free trial to a client, you're capturing the data, that makes all of this possible. Okay, so please remember that when you're reaching out to clients, the number one thing is just to get that hardware installed one way or another. Whether they pay you up front, whether it's a deposit, or whether it's just totally free. You have to have them see the value of data collection, and then you can upsell them all of this good stuff. So more training coming soon. Please let me know your request. Vote for it inside of feedback.mywifi.io. We have a section there for training requests. Please vote for it there, and we'll get to it really shortly. And thanks for joining us live. If you have any questions, please comment below. And a lot more stuff coming up for you soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.